Hello, we are the team Reborn 2.0. We have taken the theme Pothole Severity Classification via computer vision. We are going to show you the complete demo of our implementation and I am sure you will like it. We have taken it into two halves. The first half is going to let you know how the pothole detection implementation is done in a much affordable as well as accurate manner. Second half of it, we are also providing additional features which can make the drivers and the passengers not only comfortable but also safe. In India and rest of the parts of the world, pothole is becoming a major issue and it has already claimed a lot of lives. We wish the count comes down and one day it becomes zero. Our implementation will provide you that is what we feel strongly, and this implementation has got pothole detection but with severity. We will classify the severity of the potholes as grade 1, grade 2 and grade 3, and if it is grade 3 we also have audio alert given to the driver saying that it is a pothole that you are nearing, so be careful in your drive. Second part of it is the driver monitoring and assistance features that we have provided, and I am certain you will like it. In India or any countries like India, the first car of citizens would be a low-end economical car. It will not come with comfort and safety features because the costing will be so. It can compromise the comfort but not the safety. But we strongly feel that comfort can come with a cost but not safety. Safety should be there for every citizen, every human being here, and they deserve right to be safe when they are driving. We are providing you some of the safety features which are classified under driver monitoring and driver assistance systems, and that's also part of this implementation. We not only classify the pothole, we also provide you more features is the final say that I can go ahead with. Let's go ahead and see our demo and implementation. Let's go ahead and see our demo and implementation. The complete implementation is live and it's real time. It is fast, accurate. The classification is done in such a way that everybody can understand it very nicely, and the voice alert that we give is also going to be very understandable for the driver to be careful about the grade 3 potholes. The grade 3 potholes are more severe. We have taken our algorithms in such a way that it can detect the potholes depth and width, and based on which we will classify the potholes as severe, mild, non-severe. And based on that, the grading and the color system, color coding has also been given that way. We will show you the demo right now and I'm sure you will like it. For the scene 1 dataset which has been given by the organizers, we have implemented this and you can see that. Grade 1 and grade 2 will not give you any audio alert, but the grade 3 will give you audio alert. You could hear Pothole, 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 Pothole. So for the grade 3, we alert the drivers with the audio alert saying that be careful when you are driving, and this is fully implemented. You can see the way the system is behaving in a real time and responding properly. We have muted the alert right now because we would like to explain the system, and this feature of audio alert is there for grade 3, and if you want we can move it for grade 2 as well. The entire scene is properly analyzed and the potholes are detected real time, and this alert goes to the driver, and I hope you like the way the system is working on for the scene 1 that you have given. The scene 2 is also completely implemented, and there also this grading is working fine, and we are very sure our system will work in detection of potholes at various levels, various roads, and it's highly versatile. Our algorithm is implemented in such a way that it can be easily ported for other situations as well. You can see the exact way the system is identifying the potholes real time. And thank you very much for the dataset and the images. It was very clean and easy for us to go ahead with implementing, and we would like to thank the organizers for that particular aspect of providing us a very neat dataset. It is all real time, and computationally this is not so intensive and it will not take a lot of time for you to detect the pothole. Our algorithms are smart enough that you can detect things with ease. You could see the way the potholes are identified and they are graded as well. The color coding is also given such a way that anybody can understand based on the color. Green, no problem. Yellow, be a little careful. Red, you must be definitely careful. So based on the length, depth and the width of the pothole, we are classifying it, and it has come through superb level of trainings that we have given into our system. So the system is very well trained and it can adapt to any situation. You can go ahead with the scene 2 implementation right now, and I'm sure you will like it too. Grade 1s again in the green color, grade 2 yellow, and the grade 3 will come with a red color identification. The bounded box with the grade information there comes in front of you, and grade 3 is highlighted very strongly, and we also have the voice assist for grade 3. If you want, we can provide that for grade 2 as well. It's based on your inputs we can work on, and we can provide you that kind of support. And you could see that it is detecting, classifying very clearly, and all this at a very good speed. We can implement this at the edge also, and we can make sure that this gives the best results even at the edge. The complete implementation is presented to you for your kind perusal, and if you have suggestions, we are more than open to implement it, and we would be very happy to listen to your feedback and suggestions about this implementation. It is fully trained, and now we are getting into the next part of it, the driver assisting and the monitoring features. Not every car comes with the driver assisting and the monitoring features. If it is an inexpensive car, so does the features that are provided. It will not be up to the mark. But what we feel is you can be comfortable. The comfort features can be added based on the costing, but not the security. We cannot compromise the security, and every life is worthy for us. So we are providing additional features that will help the drivers, that will help the passengers, that's going to give more comfort. You will be 100% confident in the travel is what we try to give. Along with pothole detection, this can be given as an additional module which will help everybody. We are going to see that right now. We are going to see the complete demonstration right here. The first module is driver authentication, and we have trained the system with one of the phases. The demo is here.
You are authorized. Dash. Drive safe.
We can drive the vehicle now. Now we are going to show the image of a child. As such, it is sitting alongside the driver.
Children are not allowed in the front row. Children are not allowed in the front row.
This is absolutely prohibited in many countries, and we follow that.
Children are not allowed in the front row. Children are not allowed in the front row.
In case of an accident, the children could suffer more than normal people, so we alert it. We are going to see if we can overload more number of people into the car, and we are going with that scenario testing right now.
Passengers limit exceeded. Passengers limit exceeded.
We are getting that alert as well real time, identifying the male female as well perfectly there.
You are authorized. Dash. Drive safe.
The driver can wear a spectacle. The driver can wear a cap.
You are authorized. Dash. Drive safe.
You will be recognized. Now we are going to the next part of it, where we are going to check if the driver is drinking, smoking, or is using mobile. That's what we are going to do right now, and we will check if things are working proper. Let's first go ahead and start checking with.
Do not use phone while driving. Do not use phone while driving.
Now drinking.
Do not drink while driving. Do not drink while driving.
Now, what's left out? We need to check if we can smoke while driving.
Do not smoke while driving. Do not smoke while driving.
We can detect if the driver is about to sleep as well, and we will alert.
Do not sleep. Do not sleep.
As you can see, this is all real time and absolutely working fine. Now we are going to assess the drivers. You can see that the entire system is working fine, and we will give an alert if you are going close to the previous car. The dangerous message comes, and we track it real time, and we will keep you in a safe distance with a voice alert.
Dangerous.
We are also capable of detecting the lane change, and we are going to do that right now.
Lane change alert.
You could see that we are alerting it. Now this is for Indian scenarios. You could see that there are intruders.
Dangerous. Slow down.
We have detected them properly. And this is tested with Indian dataset, and that is the most challenging part of the entire product. You could see that there are races on the road.
Dangerous. Slow down.
And we are able to alert the driver properly. You could see that it's all working perfectly fine for all the scenarios. We are going for the next scenario right now.
Slow down.
You could see the way he is racing, and we are able to detect that as well. Now we are going to detect animals.
Slow down. Slow down.
You could see that animal intrusion is detected. Night drive. We are supporting the night.
Dangerous. Slow down.
So all these are real time. Absolutely voice-based support is
dangerous. Slow down.
And is working fine. and this is tested for stability and it's working functionally very fine for all the scenarios. Now we are providing a virtual bumper. As you can see, when you go closer, you get a virtual bumper and there will be a
car started.
And car starter alert is also coming. The previous car, when it moves, if there is somebody who can tell you that the car has moved, you can move. That's going to be great. We provide you that facility. Now, the blockchain part is coming in. You can scan the status of your car. You can scan the health status of your car with a single click. That's what we are going to do. We are launching our app and we get all the data from the sensors and we push it onto the blockchain so that it gets non-tamperable. If you know the vehicle number, type the vehicle number. You get all the data in front of you about the vehicle's quality and you can get it in seconds. So I've typed that and you can see that. This is just a tentative data. We moved it to the blockchain and we used Hyperledger. And if you do not know the number of the vehicle and if you are really a little lazy about it, scan the QR code. You get the data immediately in front of you. We have given a specific QR code for all the cars and you could get the data immediately. And all these are real time and this is working fine. And once it goes to blockchain, as you know, it is never tamperable and we are testing it with one more scenario and that's also giving you absolute data. So overall, we provide a system that can help the driver, that can monitor the driver and that can keep you safe. We thank you for the opportunity that you have provided and we look forward to hearing from you the feedback. Thank you.